Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert right tick symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box and draw a text box. Then go back again the insert menu, select the symbol. Now I am select the font windings. Write the windings, then press enter. Now we can see here many symbol. Now I am select the right tick symbol, then click insert, then close the window, then select the symbol, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size. Now we can see we insert right tick symbol in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.